Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kaden, and if you're old about a goodie, thank you for tuning in. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I get this hair from this Barbie blonde to this nice icy blonde ash gray look that you see. So if you want to see how I did it, continue to watch. So guys, I'm not a professional or anything. I did not go to school for this. I am self-taught, so don't come for me in the comments saying this or that. Constructive criticisms are welcome. So thank you. The reason for me doing this purple shampoo bath is because I want to tone it out a little bit with the shampoo to get rid of some of that yellowness that you see, because I want the hair to have like that nice icy white gray look kind of look. So I don't want to see any yellow peeking through, so that's what I'm trying to cancel out the yellow as much as possible. I'll be using like a paddle brush or something, a comb or something, to comb through the hair while I dip it in the purple shampoo, because I want to get as much strand as possible. I don't want to miss any spots. Based on some videos that I watched, they said that you should not let it sit in the purple shampoo because you will have spots, but I did went ahead and let mine sit in the shampoo a little bit. First I let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I went ahead and I let it sit for the next 20 minutes because as I said, I want to cancel out as much yellow as possible. And then if you get like those purple blue streaks that you don't want, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and correct that. As you can see, some of the yellow is canceled out, and that is exactly what I want. So I'm going to just go ahead, rinse it out, and let it sit overnight and hair dry. After it has been air dried, I'm going to go ahead and do the watercolor method, and I'll be using two Adore air dyes. First, I'm going to go in with the titanium, and I'll be using the titanium and the platinum, but I won't mix the two colors together. All I'm just going to do is add the titanium, mix it out thoroughly, and then keep on adding more color as I dip the hair, because I want to see the color. I don't want to just add the color in and then dip the hair in. I want to go ahead and gradually do it. And look at the hair, how it looks after it has been air dried. It is toned. You can see some of the yellowness was canceled out. So I'm just going to go ahead, dip the hair in the titanium until I get my desired color. Now I'm adding the platinum air color to the water, and I'm going to go ahead and give this wig the final dipping before letting it sit and air dry overnight. Remember what I said earlier about those purple streaks or blue streaks? If you don't want them, I'm going to show you how you can strip it using the Dawn dish soap. And this is a very effective method that I see most persons use, and I tried it and it actually works. So I'm just going to go ahead, wash it with the dish soap, the Dawn dish soap, and then go ahead, shampoo, condition, and all of that. After the unit was dry, I went ahead and I styled it, but then I realized that I didn't like that color that it had, so I went ahead and used the Wella T18 and T14 toners to further tone it. So I went ahead and mixed both toners together, so it's 2 bottles of toner, and then for each bottle of toner I had 2 bottles of developer. So it's 2 bottles of toner, so I used 4 bottles of toner of developer. So what I did, the same bottle that I poured the toner from, I went ahead and add the developer to it. So I use it to measure the developer. So it's 1 bottle of toner to 2 bottles of developer. I didn't apply it in any special way. I just went ahead, used my hand, and I put my hand in a plastic bag because I ran out of gloves. So I just went ahead and added to the entire unit. Then after adding it, I went ahead and combed through, let it sit for like 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. As you can see, the unit looks purple, but that is because the developer is actually working. So because you want to get that nice gray ashy look, the toner actually does that to the unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out and then let it air dry again. So to rinse it out, I'm going to use a purple shampoo, I'm going to use conditioners and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out, let it sit overnight to air dry, and then I'm going to come back with the final result. Here you go, guys. This is it after the unit is dried, styled, and ready to be installed. So this is a closure unit. All you gotta do is just put it on. You don't need to do any gluing or anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also share. Thank you. Bye.